Hey everybody, for this problem we're going to graph the function y equals x plus 1 using an input-output table. Okay, so come over here first and grab a pen or a marker. And the first thing we need to do is we need to fill in the table. Okay, so remember the x values are the input values, okay, and the y values are the output values. So when we plug a 2 in for the x, 2 plus 1 is 3. So when x is 2, y is 3. Next one, when x is 3, well, 3 plus 1 is going to result in y being 4. Next, when x is negative 2 plus positive 1 is negative 1. So y is going to be negative 1. And then finally, when when x is negative 1, negative 1 plus 1 is 0. All right, so now that we have 4 points, we have enough to graph it. Okay, so let's graph the point 2 and 3 first. And then 3 and 4 next. And then negative 2, negative 1. And then negative 1 and 0. And then finally we can connect the dots and add the arrows. And we just graph the function y equals x plus 1.